This video is a quick overview of how to download and install SDRconnect on Linux Ubuntu. First, navigate to the SDRplay website and then the SDRconnect page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select either ARM or x64 Linux as appropriate for your system. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder, right-click on the file and select Properties. At the bottom of the window, move the toggle to the right that says Make it executable. Now right-click on the program again and select Run as Program. This will start up the SDRconnect installer, and now just follow the prompts. Once the installer has completed, you can go to the icon in the lower left that says Show Apps. When you click on that, it brings up a list of applications. Find SDRconnect, click on that, and that will open up SDRconnect, and you can press play and the program will start running. That's literally all there is to it.